after we learned the 3 Mile Island explosion or meltdown of 3 Mile Island, we continue our protest to the President, informing him that BNPP is really very dangerous to our country because of the 3 Mile Island accident. We have to stop operating this plant. During the time of President Marcos, June 17, 18, and 19, we launched the Wilgam Bayan. To paralyze the business activities and the transport activities in Bataan, to inform the President that we will not let the government operate the plant because of the 3 Mile Island accident. So after the Wilgam Bayan, people powers was launched during 1986. Yeah, the Wilgam Bayan is 1985, and then when we launched the people power revolution, Mr. Marcos, our president, was removed from his office. Yeah. Then President Corazon Aquino was put in power to run the government of the Philippines under revolutionary government. So during his administration, the people continue to protest the operation of this nuclear plant. The same, we informed the President about the 40,000 defects that the scientists have noticed during their investigation conducted in Bataan Nuclear Power Plant. The government, the Cory government invited, if I am not mistaken, 50 more or less scientists to investigate. They said complaint of us, and they found out that it's really true. There are so many defects. Yeah. So again, President Aquino create a committee again to investigate the said report of the 50 National Union of Scientists. Yeah. Yeah. But during the creation of the commission, it so happened that on 1986, again, the Chernobyl
had an accident.
Met an accident again.
Yes.
That's why President Cory Aquino stopped the operation of this nuclear plant based on the findings of the scientists that our government invited 50 more or less National Union of Scientists composed of different countries. National Union of Scientists.
Right.
Yeah.
That was really a great job done by the President Aquino.
Yeah. That's
I see. But I heard that now the government is again trying to restart.
Yeah, yeah. Again, President Noynoy Aquino, Benigno Aquino Jr. Is against to
Restart.
to start the operation. He is against
Okay.
the commissioning of this nuclear plant. But there are some groups who are interested to rehabilitate the plant, telling that the Philippines have an energy crisis. Yeah, because of the energy crisis, they are trying to rehab, conducting a public forum, telling the people that only nuclear plant can save the country of avoiding energy crisis. But we are contesting that move of some group going to our town.
That's why it's like nuclear power even creates energy crisis, because look at Japan after Fukushima.
Yeah.
We cannot operate any of the nuclear power plants even though they built so many.
Yeah.
So nuclear power plant doesn't help energy crisis. It exacerbates, it worsens the energy crisis, I think.
Yeah. During the forum,
Yeah.
I told the pro-nuclear, granting that Bataan nuclear power plant will be operated by the government, granting maybe after I told the pro-nuclear, after one day of operating this nuclear plant, because of the human error, this plant will meet an accident like Fukushima.
Yes.
What our government can we avoid the
Radiation
radiation that are being spread by this meltdown or accident? Do we have enough technology
no.
to safeguard the people residing on the nuclear plant? They cannot tell us the safety.
Sure. Yes. Once
They are,
accident
what they are telling us is this plant is very safe to operate. Yeah, that is their
Thank you very much. Thank you.